The information provided by Michael Beebe and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Michael Beebe is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Michael Beebe and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our in-depth exploration of a critical yet often overlooked aspect of cryptocurrency investing, understanding the tax implications. In this video, we'll delve into why grasping the tax rules surrounding cryptocurrency is essential and how to stay compliant with your country's regulations. We'll break down what you need to know to avoid potential pitfalls and ensure you're managing your crypto investments responsibly. Know the regulations. Cryptocurrency, while exciting and revolutionary, comes with its own set of tax regulations that vary significantly from one country to another. The rise of digital currencies has prompted governments worldwide to create guidelines for how these assets should be treated for tax purposes. Ignoring these regulations or failing to understand them can lead to serious legal and financial consequences. Research your country's tax laws. The first step in understanding the tax implications of cryptocurrency is to research the regulations in your own country. Each nation has its own set of rules regarding how cryptocurrencies are taxed, whether as income, capital gains, or a different category. For example, in the United States, cryptocurrencies are generally considered property, meaning that capital gains taxes apply to any profits from their sale. In contrast, other countries may treat cryptocurrencies as income or have specific rules for different types of transactions. Consult a tax professional. Given the complexity and rapid evolution of tax laws related to cryptocurrencies, it's highly advisable to consult with a tax professional who is well-versed in crypto taxation. A tax expert can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation and help you navigate the intricacies of your country's regulations. They can also assist in preparing and filing your tax returns to ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. Keep accurate records. Track your transactions. One of the most important aspects of managing the tax implications of cryptocurrency investments is keeping detailed records of all your transactions. This includes purchases, sales, trades, and any income generated from your investments. Accurate record keeping will not only help you comply with tax regulations, but also provide you with a clear overview of your investment performance. Document trade details. For each transaction, record essential details such as the date, amount, price at the time of the trade, and the parties involved. This documentation is crucial for calculating your capital gains or losses and accurately reporting your income. Many investors use specialized software or apps designed to track cryptocurrency transactions and generate tax reports, which can simplify the process. Understand reporting requirements. Familiarize yourself with the reporting requirements for cryptocurrency transactions in your country. Some jurisdictions may require you to report each transaction individually, while others may allow you to aggregate your gains and losses. Ensure you understand the format and deadlines for reporting to avoid any potential issues with tax authorities. Be prepared for audits. Maintain transparency. Given the increasing scrutiny on cryptocurrency investments, it's wise to maintain transparency and be prepared for potential audits. Keeping thorough records and being honest in your reporting will help you defend your tax filings if you are ever audited. Remember, tax authorities are becoming more sophisticated in tracking cryptocurrency transactions, and failing to comply can result in penalties or legal issues. Stay updated on changes. Cryptocurrency tax regulations are continually evolving as governments adapt to new developments in the crypto space. Stay informed about any changes to tax laws and adjust your practices accordingly. Subscribe to updates from tax authorities or financial news outlets to keep abreast of the latest developments. Avoid common mistakes. Don't overlook small transactions. Even small transactions can have tax implications. Don't ignore minor trades or low-value transactions, as they can accumulate and impact your tax liability. Ensure all transactions are recorded and reported accurately. Beware of tax evasion. Attempting to evade taxes or falsify records can have serious consequences. It's important to approach cryptocurrency taxation with integrity and comply with all applicable regulations. Engaging in tax evasion can result in hefty fines, legal penalties, and long-term damage to your financial reputation. In conclusion, understanding the tax implications of cryptocurrency investments is essential for responsible investing and avoiding legal troubles. By researching your country's regulations, consulting with tax professionals, keeping accurate records, and staying informed about changes in tax laws, you can manage your crypto investments effectively and ensure compliance with tax requirements. Remember, knowledge and preparation are key to navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency taxation.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.